Next up, let's hear it for MJ Solorio in and talk about consistency today, coming in with a time of 9.745. Yesterday wins with a time of 9.724. This man knows the definition of consistency and knows that that's what it takes to get to the top of the pod. Trey Robbins unstrapped from his truck, learns he wins and is right here on the track. Cleveland, let him hear you.
Robbins here running up to the pod, man. I'll give you a second to catch your breath here, but 2 days in a row, you were the fastest train in the land. You have mastered this track here in Cleveland. Talk about the intel you're using, what you're feeling to get these racing wins.
I tell you what, it's an intense ride out there. All the crazy fans telling me that I'm doing great. I even got tech guys telling me, man, your truck is whole shot like crazy. You got it in the bag, you just gotta nail that final turn. And we did that here tonight in Cleveland. So, what do you guys think?
Hey, so far so good. You got the 10 points out of the gate. The Two-Wheel Skills Challenge is up next. What is the train cooking up under that hood?
Well, you never know. This track is very unpredictable. It's pretty tacky, but it's pretty slick at the same time. So, we'll do some two-wheel moves. Hopefully